If you're Muslim and this video found you, I want you to just try to do this one thing. Right now, I want you to look up to the sky, look within, whatever you want to do, and ask Allah, Ya Allah, shift my life into reality I've never experienced. Grant me abundance in ways that I could never have even imagined it. Grant me success and prosperity and joy and bliss in ways that my mind could not even fathom up to this point. And then just relax your internal self, let go of the past, let go of what has already happened, let go of your expectations of what this dua even means, and just trust that Allah will allow things and cause things to unfold in the most beautiful way, simply because He is capable, simply because He can. It's time to stop letting your own thoughts and your own negative connotations about anything block out this beauty, block out this inexplicable risk. Allow Allah to come through in your life. Trust that He will. Trust that He already is. Trust that this video found you simply because this is what you need in this moment. But yeah, man, drop me a follow for more, inshallah. Take care.
I'm not sure who this video is meant for, but it's intended for a very specific person, so hear me out, inshallah. But Allah is about to restore you. Whatever you subconsciously or consciously deem to have lost in this dunya, Allah will not only give it to you back, but He will give you more than what you expected. He will exceed your expectations. Because remember, Allah gives بِغَيْرِ hisab, without account, without measure, beyond measure. Measure is only a concept and a limitation of the mind. In the Holy Quran it states, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والله أنزل من السماء ماء فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يسمعون. I want you to dig that. Allah gives life to the earth after its death, after it seems like the earth cannot produce from the current state it's in. I was just watching a documentary where a forest burned down and it recovered itself within a matter of months because Allah willed it. That is literally the explanation. There is no scientific explanation to it. The fire literally made it grow back. And the verse ends with, surely in this is a sign for those who listen. Allah is asking you to listen. He's asking you to understand that even if you are at a low point in life, He can revive you. Even if it seems like you are spiritually dead, financially dead, mentally dead, He can revive you. He can restore you. He can fulfill you regardless of your current circumstances. So yeah, my brother, my sister, if this video helped you, then drop me a follow for more, inshallah, and drop Ameen in the comments. Take care. Love, love, love. Say,
you are so close to the reward that Allah has promised you. If this video found you, trust that it is due to His divine timing. Think about the story of Prophet Yunus alayhi salam. To this day, most of humanity regards him as one of the most noble and righteous men to ever walk this earth. Yet Allah still put him in the belly of a whale because he disobeyed the command of Allah. He had to be taught the lesson of trust, of tawakkul. That is exactly what you're being taught right now. After that quote-unquote punishment, look at the reward he got. His peoples, he had even more peoples, he had even more wealth, even more success, even more power. And the way he unlocked it was simply by saying, La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu min al-zalimin. And it's not the words that matter, but it's the meaning. Ya Allah, there is no God but you. I don't make anything else of this world my God. Money is not my God. This woman is not my God. Nothing, only God. And indeed, I have been of the wrongdoers. Complete acknowledgement. I know I have sinned. I know I'm a sinner. I know I've made mistakes. But this is the past. In this present moment, I am abundant. I am grateful because I accept my mistake. I admit my mistake. So in this moment on, literally say it to yourself. I am abundant. I am a miracle. I am 1 in a billion. I'm 1 in a trillion. I am everything. I am here. I am present. I'm with Allah. And watch your life shift, man, inshallah. Really feel it. Feel the feeling of that. Go to sleep tonight in the feeling of that freedom, of that peace. Let go of everything that's going on. Nothing matters. With surrender, miracles can happen. And there is no... Time is an illusion. Allah is beyond time. God is beyond time. So don't worry about the time, man. Allah has got you, inshallah. Drop me a follow for more. Take care. Love. And if you like the things I say, you will love my books, inshallah. The link is in my description. Love. Take care. Wallahi, right when life feels darkest is exactly when the help of Allah is about to come. Even if you feel like you're going crazy right now, even if you're in the most hardest time of your life, trust that the reward of Allah is near. Just look at the life of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Picture this, his wife had just passed away, his uncle had just died, he was walking into an unknown place looking to preach the message of Islam. The city he walked into, it was called Ta'if. And as he was preaching the message of Islam, children hurled stones at him until he bled. Imagine how he felt. Imagine what he thought of Allah in those moments. Imagine what he thought of his entire life. He literally thought, I've lost everything. Like, what is there even to come after this? But he persisted in his faith. And straight after that, look what happened. All of these victories of Islam came right after that, because Allah knew that his servant needed help. Allah knew this. So trust, man. Persist in the state of feeling like Allah is here right now. Like Allah has put you through everything you've been through for a reason. None of it has been in vain. And he was watching the whole time. And he is also Ar-Rahman, the most forgiving. So even if you slipped up, which you definitely did, because we all do, know that he will still forgive you. He is Al-Afu, the hider of faults, man. He loves you. But yeah, my brother, my sister, if this video helped you, then please share it, inshallah. And drop me a follow for more. And like, comment, save, all of that. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day, inshallah.
This video comes to you, take it as a sign of Allah for you. Thanks for watching and support my channel.